Welcome to CausalFunnel's Dashboard walkthrough. In this short guide, we'll explore the Persona Nudge Creation tab, your control center for designing and deploying targeted on-site nudges and converting visitors more efficiently. To begin, locate the dedicated tab labeled Persona Nudge Offers. This is where all the action happens. You can create a new nudge in one of two ways. First, by using a default nudge template provided by CausalFunnel, which is perfect for setting up quickly or for beginners. Your other option is to copy an existing nudge you've already created, which is ideal if you want to replicate a high-performing design or keep consistent branding across multiple pages. Once your nudge is created, a variety of customization options become available, allowing you to fine-tune every detail of the user interface. Let's start with the nudge outlier style. Here, you control how the outside of your nudge looks. Choose your background color, define your border color and style, adjust the border radius for rounded corners, and set up the border width. This is where you ensure your nudge blends in or stands out on your website. Next, there's the Nudge Close button styling. This lets you customize how users are able to dismiss your nudges. You can set the button's colors, change its sizes, and adjust the positions to keep it visually accessible but unobstructed. Next, we'll move on to the Copy Code button styling, which is also known as the Call to Action or CTA button. This is crucial for engagement. You can edit the button's label text, adjust the font color, and the background colors. You can also tweak the border properties, including the color, the radius, and the width to match your branding perfectly. If you're offering a discount or a promotion, then the coupon code labeling style is right where you're going to want to be. This is where you are able to configure how the coupon code appears. This is where you're able to add a field where users can enter or copy the discount code. This increases conversions by creating urgency and shows that there is a reward possible. Want to add some fine print or an important clarification to your nudges? Well, this is where you use the Nudge Disclaimer Text Content section. You're able to display disclaimers in text beneath the offer. This is perfect for compliancy notes or additional context about the promotion that they will need to know. Now, the heart of your actual message goes into the Nudge Text Content field. This is where you write the actual offer or prompt, whatever your visitors will see first. Make sure to make it short, punchy, and action-driven. Currently, the limit is 150 characters. After that, you can then set the nudge position. This is where you decide where on the page the nudge will appear, whether it's in the top left, the bottom right, centered in the middle, or floating elsewhere. This helps you capture attention without being too intrusive. But the most powerful tool is the Nudge Display Condition tab. This is where you define the rules for when and where your nudge appears. Do you want to show it after a user has visited a certain number of pages? Do you want to only show it to a specific URL? Or only for new versus returning visitors? You have full control of this. You can also target visitors from specific sources using the refer site URL fields. This allows you to show nudges to not only users who have arrived from a particular external site, but those who have clicked on a certain amount of pages, or those who have come from external landing pages, social media posts, or ad campaigns. For even more precise targeting, there's support for ULR query parameters. This is especially useful when tracking users from ads or campaigns. It helps you tailor your messaging based on campaign ID, user type, and other markers embedded in the URL. Once everything is set up, you can head over to the Preview tab. On click, you'll be redirected to your own website. Then, you can test and preview your nudge exactly as users will experience it before you launch it live. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can create a highly targeted, personalized nudge that increases engagement, drives control,